Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm jumping on today just to share with you what I've been up to in my craft room. I'm trying to produce more videos, or actually video more. Like I do craft, I just don't video it. I can't figure out, like my camera shuts off after so long, but there's still battery and there's still like memory on the card. I don't know if I have it on some kind of setting. I have no idea. But I use a PowerShot G7X. It's a Canon. Yeah. I've had it for a few years. I actually bought it when I first started my channel. Maybe in 2019, maybe. Something like that. I don't even remember. But yeah. So anyway, side rant. But I hope you guys are having a crafty day. So I have picked up some of Erica from Scrap Diva Designs, XO dye, and this is her contact information if you don't know who I'm talking about and are new to the YouTube crafting community. If you are new, welcome. Thank you for choosing to watch my video. I hope you consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. So this is the die. I did take it apart so I could, you can't barely see it, but so I could, there, the glare will show it, cut out some acetate to make the shakers. That's just extra. I always keep extra stuff in my pouches. But yeah, so let me just share the ones I made. I put them all together and didn't video, of course. All the what cut out, the X's and the O's and the hearts, I just added the paper cutouts to them, so I backed them on both sides. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I could add them to Happy Mail and that kinds of stuff, or in packaging. I don't know, they're cute. I could just add them on a card, like the hearts, just a little one on the inside. If you're new, I am a card maker. That's what I do. I started scrapbooking and then turned into a card maker. I do craft everything like crafters do. But yeah, most of my channel is about card making and paper crafts. But yeah. Okay, so this is one of them. I just, I didn't add the acetate. It's not a shaker. I just popped it up. And I must have changed the setting on my camera too, because now it takes forever to focus. It used to do it by itself, and when I watch back the videos, I'm like, what the heck? It didn't even focus in. So anyway, yes. I did use some glitter foam. I think I got this from the Dollar Tree maybe. It's really thin. And then I used like white foam and then added the cardstock on top of it. So that's one of them. This one I just had the cardstock on the bottom and I added that glitter foam that I think I got from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure where I got it from, but it's thin. And then I made a shaker. I should have doubled the height of the foam, then I could have added more different stuff. A lot of my stuff was too chunky and would not move around if I added it. But I have a different glitter paper which I received. It was in my stash, in my scraps, so I'm not even sure where I got that glitter paper from. But this is what it looks. This is what it looks like as the outside. Look at how shiny it is. And then I was gonna make a shaker, and the acetate, the glue was everywhere. You see the stars were all sticking, so I was like, screw it. I'm just going to take the acetate off, shake all the stars off, and whatever stays gets to stay. I think it looks pretty cool though. I like it. And then here's one as a shaker with the stars that actually worked, but it's not There's no shaker bits, so it's kind of quiet. But it's pretty. The bling effect. And then there's a smaller one. Because her die, you know, it comes in 2 different sizes. Yeah, these don't even move. But I just was trying to... I don't know what I was trying to do. Whatever. It's good for an embellishment. And then this one here, this one has little shaker bits. I'm sorry it's all glary and takes forever to focus. Oh my goodness. And like, see, the light is washing that out. It's like a very, it looks white, the cardstock, but it's actually a lavender. And then a bigger one, just with different shaker bits. I was trying to get some different ones in there. Yeah, so this, it takes a while to die cut all the stuff and put it together. I really need to learn how to use my silhouette. Although I have a dinosaur, maybe that's what is not, like I have the second one. We're out to like 5 or something now. So it's definitely not wireless. I gotta plug it in. So I gotta have space to bring it by my computer to plug it in. Yeah. Dramas of my life. But yet I still craft. And I spend way too much money buying metal dies that I can just cut with my... But whatever. Well, that is it. That is all of the XOs I made. I hope you guys found a little inspiration here. And I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!